scratch the table up a little more.
Hey everybody, it's Papano Stuff here. Today we've got a little unboxing to do, and then a little setup, and then we'll get ready to install it sometime later today, but I don't think you'll see that part of it. What we have here is an old-fashioned but new model of Dustbuster, Black & Decker. We take a good look at it. There's the label. It says it's got 2 times more suction power. All right, that's about what it looks like. Let's get it out of the box and see what the parts are inside here. And let's see how difficult it might be to set up. Hopefully it's not too tough. Okay. Comes with a little like dusting adapter you probably put on the tip of it. You want to dust something off. Comes with a nice mounting base. Now this is actually replacing a Dustbuster that's probably about 25 years old. And quite honestly, taking a look at this mounting base, it looks like it's going to screw right in place of the existing one using the same holes. But we're going to find out. This looks like it's hardwired, where the old one was a plug-in. So this has active electrical contacts here, so when you put the Dustbuster in it, it's going to start charging. So this is really going to be an improvement over what was in place already. Of course, it comes with these if I need them, and I don't know yet, but I may need the screws and the sleeves in case I have to drill a new hole to mount this. But it looks to me, by my eye, that it looks like it's going to fit right off the bat. So we're going to pull this Dustbuster out, and honestly, the funny thing about this, it looks like the one that's been there for 25 years. With very little modification. All right, very little modification. It's extremely lightweight, even though there's a battery in here. Okay, there's the Dustbuster. Comes with a filter inside here. As you can see, there's got like a one-way valve that's going to open up here, let the dust in, and then shut, so that when you go to charge this up, the dirt's going to stay where it has to. I don't know if there's any power in this right now, but let's see. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, pretty good. So I am actually going to put this on the charger and start charging it, and I'll get this installed later on. But you won't see that part because it'll be at somebody else's house. But the only difference between this and the Dustbuster from like 25 years ago that I'm replacing that died is the shape of the handle. It's a more wide and bulky. But let's get this plugged into the adapter and at least give it a full charge. All right, so you can see the tip of this here. That's the suction port. And this actually can fit on there if you want it to. I'm going to put it on there. All right. It just kind of slides right into the tip like that. You want to take it out, you just pull it out. Now notice this here. This actually slides in and out if you want to have more length on it. But I don't know why you would want that, okay? So I would probably just leave it like this. And I'm going to put this little tip on it, and that's it. Okay, here's our little staging area here. I'm just going to plug this in. Now, this is the charging base. Okay, nothing magic. I'm just going to put this in the charging base, right? And it's going to just fit here. And somehow that should be charging, although I don't get any light or indicator that that's happening. But I just have to make the assumption that that's how it works. So that's it. This is going to be hanging on the wall. You come in here, you put it on this little hook, and then just engage it like that, and it's going to hang. I wish there was an indicator light on here. That would only make sense that it would have one, but unfortunately the manufacturer, Black & Decker, did not think of including one when they made this, although that would be very helpful to have. All right, so we're just going to let this sit here and charge, or at least make sure it's charged, so when I go to install it later, everything will work. There'll be a link in the description down below. Click it, buy one, buy two, maybe buy three, one for a friend, and enjoy it. Thanks for watching.